Hi guys, it's Teacher Lily here. Welcome back to my channel. And today in this video, I wanted to talk to you about whiteboards and whiteboard rewards, guys. You really don't have to spend a lot of money on rewards. You just need to be creative. There's a couple of things that I do suggest buying to help you with this, because it's gonna help you and it's gonna save a lot of money. And don't mind me, I stumble sometimes. I'm not really good at these YouTube videos, but I'm not trying to be great. I'm trying to give you some tips, some free advice. So I have actually I have like 3 or 4 whiteboards, to be honest with you. I use them for different reasons. I can't even find my other one. Sorry, I was looking for it. I have a few. So here's one behind me, and this one, to be honest with you, I use it for, you can use this for rewards if you are the type of teacher that likes to put the rewards up on your board behind you. Honestly, I don't think it's that great for that. My personal opinion, I want the kids to see their rewards, see it every time they get one in their faces. So this one I use for decor. See, it says hello November. This is like, you know, fall stuff. That's what I use it for. Then I have my other little reward, sorry. I told you I stumbled. My other little whiteboard, and I usually have a quote here, which is, you can't even see it. Today was good, today was fine, tomorrow, blah, 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 blah. But I use these to hold my markers, my dry erase markers for my calendar. It's a dry erase calendar. Anyway, not about that. My whiteboard that I actually use for rewards is this whiteboard here. And I got this at Walmart for like $7.88. Super cheap. Look how cute. It's like a marble. Marble? I know you see like the... So what happens is, yes, you can see a little glare, but there's a certain way that you can hold this where the kids cannot see it. You just need to angle it a little bit and you don't see the glare, as you can see. Do you see the glare? No. However, if you do that, you can see the glare of the computer and everything. So you just got to angle it a little bit and show it to them like this. Okay, every time they get a reward. So now your best friends, there's 2 things that are going to be your best friends when doing whiteboard rewards. Number 1 is a laminator. If you can buy a laminator, that is awesome. You can just knock yourself out making rewards and props. You just have to print images out from Google. Go to Google Images, look up whatever you want, whatever your kids like, print it out and laminate it. It's really fast. The laminator that I purchased is Scotch brand, and I will look for it for you, and I will put the link. It's literally like $17.88 at Walmart. Walmart's a good place to find stuff, aside from the Dollar Tree, which is my favorite. Check out my other videos. The number 2 thing that you're gonna need, magnetic tape. Now, I do see a lot of people use those little magnetic little thingies like this, little round, I don't know what they're called. They have a specific name. I don't like those. This is me. I find it so much easier and cheaper. This was not even, I don't know, probably $2. Probably $2. Look how much. Look how much. And this is all you need. This width. You don't need it. And this will last you forever, because all you need to do is you grab a normal scissor and cut a little piece like this. I'm going to show you. So first reward is, most of my kids, they like music because they take classes, additional classes from school, music classes. So here's my maracas. See how small of a piece? Again, just tilt it a little bit so you don't see the thing. So my rewards for music, I have tons of rewards. I have enough rewards on music that I could just keep it, like, if they only like the guitar, then I can give all guitars. But if they like all of them, if you just want to mix it all up, look, a little drum. Some people are a little hesitant with the whiteboard, because of the glare. But like I said, all you have to do is just tilt it, or kind of move your light a little bit. Just tilt it over. It's just tilt it. See, you can see it. Okay, so I have that. I have a flute. It's basically to give you an idea. Okay, so you could also use these as props, but these I mainly use as rewards because I have some classes that are based on music and based on instruments, and also it depends on what your student likes. I usually try to keep it on what they like or something fun. My female students, they love these hearts. Love, love, love hearts. I am telling you, I have so many. I can fill the entire board of hearts, and they love it. They actually get so excited. They love it. And at the end, I'm like, look how many stars you got. I mean, no stars. Look how many hearts you got. They love these things. I get excited. I love doing these things. I love finding rewards. If we're doing anything with fruits, apples. These are actually not laminated because I actually found them like this. They're just cutouts. See? And then I just put the rest, like those hearts, here. I discovered that all these kids absolutely love ice cream. Who doesn't love ice cream? Ice cream. Again, doesn't matter. Look how these ice creams are bigger than my other props compared to my other rewards. And look, it just takes a little bit. That's all it takes. How cute is that? So there you have that. I have other types of cutesy ice cream for the girls. I love stuff like this. See how cute? Let me see. I love these. I absolutely love these. Yay! Ice cream. I have a lot of fun with this, guys. You just have to be creative. I will keep saying that. Be creative, use your imagination, think of your students, what do they like, you know, and you could pretty much put a magnet on anything. I have these little puppets, and I'm thinking, finger puppets, I'm thinking of putting a magnet on it, and they will stick, and it'll kind of be like a 3D magnet reward. Or just as a prop as well. You can use it as a prop. I have one more. It is super cute. Super, super cute for my girls. A lot of the girls in China especially, they love Hello Kitty. So I got this from McDonald's. I had to buy a Happy Meal to get this. But when they get a reward for a Hello Kitty reward from me, I show them this. I'm like, let's see. Yes. So I'm going to place them here so that you can see. Listen, boys, they love the Pokemon, so you can print those out and laminate them. They love dinosaurs, all kinds of stuff like that. Girls love flowers. And there you have it. A Hello Kitty reward. I personally like Hello Kitty myself. Like, I love her. So I hope this helped you guys, and I hope you get you can use whatever ideas that you saw in this video. I just want to help. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's just a simple video about whiteboard rewards. I will place some links down below on where I got the whiteboard, my laminator, what else did I get? Oh, the magnetic strips, and probably some other. I have another reward video I can show you. I can place the link down below. If you have questions, comments, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I will see you soon.